Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about top 3 best garage door opener. Starting at number 3. LiftMaster 1355. The LiftMaster 1355 Contractor Series was manufactured as an upgrade to the LiftMaster 8164 watts. It comes with a strong half-horsepower AC motor that lasts longer and has incorporated Wi-Fi with its inner workings so you can connect to your garage door from your mobile. It is security-wise as it sends an OTP to your phone as verification before it opens whenever the remote control is pressed. It features an invisible laser beam which automatically reverses the door in the case of any obstruction to avoid any damage to your garage door or to personal effects. It is easy to set up for most DIYers and is pretty durable. You get enhanced garage control options such as voice control and geofence closing as an added feature. Pretty much saves power too, as it has a 75% power saving standby mode. This does seem to be a very nice upgrade. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Sommer 1052 V000. The Sommer 1052 V000 offers you a heavy-duty 1 horsepower motor for maximum performance. And yes, it does deliver. It comes included with rail for a 7 to 8 foot door height, which is what all normal size garage doors are. A full installation kit is also included. This technology allows its direct drive to have only one moving part through which the motor glides silently along. It can be held in the middle for a reverse operation and is designed to maximize flexibility of use. And, most important of all, it is quiet, durable and reliable. It comes with 2 transmitters and an interior wall station. Backed up with a lifetime warranty and simple controls, it sure promises to give you a nice, comfortable experience. And number 1 of this list. Mike's Smart Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain Mike G0301 mic allows you to open, close and monitor your garage door activity from a remote device with your smartphone or PC. And, it's also Google Assistant compatible, so you could just tell your phone to open or shut your garage door and voila! It happens like magic. It is compatible with just about any garage door manufactured after 1993 that has SSS and works not just with Android phones, but with Apple devices as well. You can decide to schedule door opening and closing for a possible delivery or to let someone in at a time when you're in a meeting or at work. This amazing door is surprisingly easy to install and can be set up as by any decent DIYer in about 30 minutes by following instructions in its manual.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.